Hey everybody, happy Saturday. You know what today is? Today is National Mango Day. We living in Southwest Florida here in the land of mangoes. They're everywhere right now. Season just now coming to an end here towards the end of July. I've got some really nice mangoes that I picked off a tree, and we're gonna make some mango ice cream. Let's get started. We got us some really nice big mangoes here. We're gonna dice these up, put them in a blender for a little bit, just starting to get soft a little bit. It's perfect to make ice cream with. You can make this some really good salsa with these too. You just gotta not let them be so ripe. You want to be a little firmer than these. These are perfect for making ice cream. Let's get these peeled and sliced up. Just take a good sharp knife, just like that. Get all the peel off. It's hard to peel these things and make something out of them. You just want to start eating them just like this. It's usually what I do with them. I'll eat one of these almost every day. They are really good. Nice and soft. See if we can get a piece off this right now. Look at that. Oh, and they're slippery too. That's beautiful. We're going to take this. We're just going to cut it up into pieces. We're going to put it in a blender, so you don't have to try to be you don't have to be too uniform with it. Just enough so the blender can take care of them pretty quick. Just like that. We'll get these 3 mangoes sliced up like that. We need about 4 to 5 cups for a gallon of ice cream. Yep, got them all diced up. Got 4.5 cups here. I told you they're hard to stay out of. I had 5, but I ate half a cup. Sorry about that. 4.5 would be plenty for a gallon of ice cream. We're gonna put these in the Ninja blender, chop them up a bit, keep right on going with this recipe. Here it goes. Put these right in here. Try not to spill none. If you spill any of them, you gotta eat them. No problem, huh? Put our lid on, lock it down, get my pulse. If you like your ice cream with little bits of mango in it, stop right there. If you don't, keep on going. I like mine with a little bit of stuff in it. Just like that. Don't take that Ninja long to make some nice mango puree. Look at that. It's gonna be good. All right, moving on. All right, we got all our mangoes chopped up. Got to put back in the tub. Put the lid on this for right now. We got to go on with the rest of our ingredients, which is going to be eggs, evaporated milk, water, vanilla, and sugar, pinch of salt. We're going to put that on the stove and get that up to 150, 155 degrees for about 10 minutes. That'll get rid of any salmonella bacteria that might be in those eggs. Don't really trust eggs right now. You never know what you're going to get. So I want to go ahead and get that up to temperature so we don't have any problem. The original recipe always called for just 6 eggs. Put them right in the freezer, and that's the way my family made ice cream for over 100 years now here in Florida. So nobody ever got sick. But I don't trust the eggs today. So we're gonna get this all put together, get it on the stove, get it heated up. We'll put it in the blender. Now the mangoes, I got them in that bowl. Put them back in the refrigerator just to keep them cold till we get all the rest of this going. It's gonna take a little bit. We got 6 eggs going in. We got 2 cans of Carnation evaporated milk. They're 12-ounce cans. Going in. Never drop. Get it all. with those 2 cans of milk, 24 ounces of water. One cup of sugar. Nice pinch of salt. Get this all blended up. It's all it takes. Now, last thing we're going to put in is the vanilla. That's going to be after we cook this egg mixture, get it up to 150 degrees, 155 for about 10 minutes. Then we'll put the vanilla in afterwards, after it's all cooled down, because we don't want to cook that vanilla off. We don't want that to stay in there. So we're going to get all this stuff on the pot, get it heated up, get it in the fridge, and let it chill back down. And then we're going to put it all in the ice cream mixer, pack some ice and rock salt around it, let it do its magic. Be right back. All right, we've got our burner going. Here's our big pot. We'll take our mixture. We're gonna get this hot. All right, we got all of our stuff cooled down. Got our mango puree. Gonna get our vanilla, mix all this together, get it in the freezer, get this thing covered up with some ice and rock salt, get it going. We have us some ice cream here in no time. All right, what we have here is an Oster electric ice cream mixer. Old school, used to be a hand crank. Can't hardly find those anymore. People are lazy, they don't want to crank it. When I was little, I used to sit on top of it while my dad and my grandpa, they'd sit there and crank that thing till the arm got tired, and then somebody else would take over. And I'd sit on a towel on top of that ice cream mixer holding it down when I wasn't about 6, 7 years old. I remember my butt getting cold sitting on top of that cold towel over that ice. All right, let's get this together. First thing we're going to do, get our mango puree. Get it in the mixer. We're going to take all of our liquid that we got up to 160 degrees, put that in the mixer. Now we want to bring this up. We want to bring this up about another 1.5 inches. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of water to it. Let me go get some water. All right, got a little bit more water here. We'll bring this up to about 2 inches from the top. About right there. Get our vanilla. Need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That is it. I'm going to give this a stir. Make sure everything's combined up nice. Paddle will usually take care of this anyway. Paddle in. Put the top on. Set this right in here. Get our motor. Got one slot is flat. It goes in this piece right here. Other side goes right here and snaps in place. Just like that. You see how that's stirring it? Some ice cream salt. Nice layer all the way around. More ice. All right, ice cream mixer has stopped. Take off the motor off. Get the lid off. Oh, looky there. Slide that paddle out of there real easy. Save as much of this ice cream as we can. Keep it all inside. Oh, look at that. Get that big old chunk. That looks good. Well, that's it. Looky here. It's gonna have me about, probably 8 of these. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put these in the deep freezer. And then mango ice cream for the next 6 months. Got me a nice bowl here. Check this out. Man, that is good. All natural. Ain't no preservatives, no food colorants, nothing in there but the good stuff. Alright guys, there it is. Happy Mango Day, National Mango Day. Go make something out of some mangoes. Go pick some off a tree if you're in South Florida. Make you something out of it. There's a lot of things you can make out of mangoes. Ice cream on a hot dog day afternoon. What could be better? Y'all have a great one. We'll see you on the next video. Give me a like. Give me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. See y'all later. Have a good one.